Hey, hey, hey! Welcome back to Melinda's Messy Sink. Today's video is our first Thanksgiving Thursday collaboration video. I'm so excited about this collaboration. Our host is Brady Browning, and I will have her channel listed below in my description box. So the Thanksgiving Thursday collab is all about either appetizers, desserts, main dishes, side dishes, meats, veggies, whatever recipes that you like to make for Thanksgiving. If you're new to Melinda's Messy Sink, I'd like to welcome you to my channel. We are all about food here. We do grocery hauls, meal planning videos. We do lots of what's for dinners, what's for breakfast, independent recipes that I find that I want to try and share with you all. We also like dessert around here too. If you like my content, we would love to have you join my YouTube family. Make sure that you hit that subscribe button, like, and comment. Now that you've learned a little bit about what Melinda's Messy Sink is, let's go ahead and get started on our recipe for today, which is sweet potatoes. All right, to start on our sweet potatoes, I have peeled, washed, and cubed 3 sweet potatoes. I have covered them with water, and I'm going to add sugar, brown sugar, honey. I found this recipe on TikTok and I'm going to list it in the description box below. This is my first time trying it. The reason why that I'm looking for a sweet potato recipe is because the recipe that I have, it takes up my oven space. We're gonna add 2 tablespoons of vanilla, 1 teaspoon of nutmeg, 1 tablespoon of apple pie apple pie spice. And then the recipe calls for cake batter flavoring. I don't have that and I could not find it in my grocery stores, so I've ordered it on Amazon. And then what we're going to do is we are going to turn on the heat and bring this up to a boil. Now that our sweet potatoes are starting to boil, we're gonna add butter. We're gonna give a good mix, and we're gonna put the lid on and let them cook for 20 minutes. Of course, I picked the pan that I don't have an exact lid for, so I'm gonna borrow this one. Our sweet potatoes have been cooking the 20 minutes covered. Now we're going to add a tablespoon of cinnamon. We're going to give this a stir, and we're going to let this cook another 20 minutes uncovered. I wish you guys could smell my house. The spices that we put in here and the steam from the water boiling, my house is screaming Thanksgiving and I am starving. It's making me starve to death. The second cook time of 25 minutes uncovered, or 20 minutes, I apologize, is over. Our sauce has thickened up. It has reduced significantly. These are done. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna turn the heat off and I'm going to remove them from the cooking eye and give them a little while to set up. I would love to try one right now because I'm starving, but I know it's lava hot in there. So I'm gonna kind of let them do their thing for just a little bit, and then I'm going to give them a try. And here are our finished sweet potatoes. They are delicious. And I'm not even a big sweet potato fan, but they are wonderful. Oh man, those sweet potatoes sure did look and smell and taste delicious. Just wanted to give a quick shout out and thank you to Brady for hosting this Thanksgiving Thursday collaboration, as well as to remind you that there is a playlist in the description box below that you can find all of the wonderful YouTube creators' videos that they have prepared for you. In addition, I have Brady's channel listed below as well. In case you're new to Brady's channel, you can easily find her. Wanted to tell you guys, thank you so much for watching, and don't forget, Jesus loves you. I'll see you in the next one.